Hello. Hello, and like always, sorry for the background noise. I cannot control it. I don't even think getting a microphone for this camera will even help. Maybe a personal, I don't know. I feel like it's just not gonna, it's not gonna help. Like pretty much everything whenever I make a, for the most part, craft, or maybe I'll do like a funky eye pattern thing, design. The process is, I'm scrolling, I see picture, I fall in love with the picture, and one of two things pops into my head. Either one, I want to make that for myself, or two, I want to put that on my eyeball. The picture I saw that inspired me is by Amy Cyan on Instagram. I guess the character is Black Hat. I know it's from a cartoon, I believe. Obviously, I have not watched the cartoon. I probably will, or at least try to look some more stuff up after I'm done filming this intro, so I know the hell I'm talking about. But I don't watch it. I don't know this character. I don't know. I just saw something and it was just freaking aesthetic to me. Like, if any of y'all have been following me for a while, like, that's kind of my vibe. And I've had this little mini hat that I got last Halloween, $3, and I'm like, okay, so $3, I'm gonna make something with it eventually. And I finally found a purpose for it. And I filmed the majority of the process other than me sculpting the model magic, but they're pretty basic shapes, honestly. It's a quick making of video, and honestly I feel kind of bad because I'm not producing videos on YouTube that much lately, and this was just something I'm like, I might as well film it and just put together for a little video for you guys. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to have a little explanation to this video. I don't really think it need to be said, really. But here it is anyways, so enjoy. When I first started this project, I kind of forgot where the placement was of little elastics inside the hat that has or attaches the headband to it. If I were to redo it, I would probably put the mouth more so on the side than directly up front, so we can get a better profile of it, because I feel like that's like the money shot right there. And don't ask what this character is, because I just thought creepy clown makeup would work with it for whatever reason, but this is just a little art piece that I can have in my room and gaze at. Maybe this will give you some inspiration in time for Halloween, if I even get this up in time for Halloween. I don't know. It's honestly not that hard whatsoever, which I feel like if you're not very craftsy, it's just like I can't say that because I just do this shit all the time, but it's truly not that hard at all. I feel like it looks more intimidating than it actually is. I'm sorry my upload schedule has been garbage lately and I'm not posting on here a lot. If you would like to be on a platform that I am pretty active on, TikTok and Instagram are things I'm pretty active on, and I have a lot of actual cosplays planned that I'm not doing videos on because there's really no need for tutorials on. So if you want to see more cool looks / cosplays, you should probably follow me on there. And if you don't give a shit, well, thank you for watching this video, and maybe I will see you in the next one. Whenever that will be uploaded. I don't know, but I'll see y'all next time.